कोई भी सपना साकार करने के लिए सबसे जरूरी है सही कोच का होना। चुनिए प्रेप लर्न एडू सेंटर को और करें अपने यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज का सपना साकार। डाउनलोड द ऐप नाउ।
Panch Pandava Cave. Panch Pandava Cave is located in Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu. It is largest cave temple in Mahabalipuram. It is an example of Indian rock cut architecture dating from the late 7th century. Barabar Cave. Barabar Cave is located in Bihar. These are the oldest surviving rock cut caves in India, dating from the Mauryan Empire, some with Ashokan inscriptions. Kindly subscribe to the channel and download our app Prep Learn Edu Center for complete preparation of competitive exams. These caves are situated in twin hills of Barabar and Nagarjuna. Most caves at Barabar consist of two chambers carved entirely out of granite with a highly polished internal surface and exciting eco effect. Bagh Caves. Bagh Caves are located in Madhya Pradesh. These are 9 rock-cut caves and it was established by Buddhist monk Dattaka. These caves are famous for mural paintings. Next cave is Mundapeshwar. It is located in Mumbai Borivali. It is 8th century rock-cut cave that is dedicated to Shiva. Kindly subscribe to the channel and you may download our app Prep Learn Edu Center from Google Play Store. Next cave is Kanheri Caves. Kanheri Caves are located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. These are groups of caves and rock-cut monuments cut into massive basalt outcrop in Sanjay Gandhi National Park. These caves comprise vihar and chaityas. Next cave is Junagadh Cave. Junagadh Cave is located in Junagadh, Gujarat. These caves are built in the period of Ashoka. It also includes Uparkat caves. Next cave is Udayagiri and Kandhagiri caves. These caves are located in Odisha. These caves are famous for the Hathi Gumfa inscriptions which have been carved out in Brahmi script. The cave complex has both man-made and natural caves. Nasik Caves. Nasik Caves are located in Nasik, Maharashtra. It is a group of 23 Buddhist caves known as Pandavleni carved between the 1st century and 3rd century are symbolic of Hinayana. These caves have image of Buddha and Bodhisattva. Next cave is Karle Cave. Karle Cave is located in Maharashtra, Lonavala. This cave is famous for Buddhism and known for famous Grand Chaitya, which is the largest and most completely preserved Chaitya hall of the period. Bhaja Cave. Bhaja Cave is located in Maharashtra. Belonging to the Hinayana Buddhism and located near Pune, this is the oldest Deccan rock-cut cave dated in 2nd century. It is a group of 22 rock-cut caves. Friends, kindly subscribe to the channel and download our app Prep Learn Edu Center. Next cave is Lomsa Rishi Cave. It is very important cave and has been asked in several exams. It is located in Bihar. This cave belongs to Mauryan period. It has an arc-like shape frontage copying the contemporary timber architecture. Moving to next cave, Elephanta Caves. Elephanta Caves are located in Elephanta Island, Mumbai. This cave belonged to Hindu religion and mainly focused on Lord Shiva. These caves are constructed between 5th to 6th century. This cave is extremely important cave, Ellora Cave, located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. A triple-story cave famous for monolithic excavation in the world, the Great Kailasha Temple. It belongs to Buddhism and Jainism both. Next cave is Ajanta Caves. Ajanta Caves is also located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra and have 29 caves divided into two phases. It has paintings of Buddha and Jataka stories. Ajanta and Ellora, both caves are extremely important caves and have been asked in several exams. Among 29 caves, 25 were used as vihars and 4 were used as chaitya or prayer halls. Kindly subscribe to channel. Thank you for watching.